안녕하세요, Teacher Chelimnida. I wasn't able to attend the monthly donation because I was having an OJT, and 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. is my shift, and today also I have also the same shift, and I already received the 1,000 pesos from Teacher May. 조선 진팅장님 감사합니다. Bye bye.
The cat and the rat. Once for animals, the owl, rat, cat, and mongoose lived in the forest. One day, the cat got trapped in the hunter's net. The rat was very happy to see the trapped cat, as the cat was his enemy. The rat went near the cat in the net and tasted him. When the owl and the mongoose saw the rat freely jumping around, they wanted to eat him. The rat got scared, and to save his life, asked the cat if he could in, enter the net. He told the cat, I'm from I promise to save you by cutting the net with my sharp teeth. If you will help me. The cat was willing and allowed the rat to share the net with him. The owl and the mongoose went away and empty handed. The rat cut the net, and the cat was set free. The next day, the cat went to the rat's hole to offer friendship. However, the rat did not come out of the his hole.